If you're a pumpkin lover, over the next couple of months, you're going to be smiling ear to ear. That's because this is the time of year when restaurants and manufacturers come out with pumpkin-flavored everything, whether it's cereal, baking bits, or even gourmet coffees. To join this trend, we've created a pumpkin-y poke cake that's positively addictive. We start by beating together a box of spiced cake mix with some canned pumpkin, a couple of eggs, and water. We pour that into a 9x13 pan and into the oven it goes. After it's cooled, we poke it with the handle of a spoon, like this. Now we spread on a good amount of vanilla pudding that we've added a bit of pumpkin pie spice to, making sure we fill all the holes. Over this goes a layer of whipped topping. Then we'll place it in the fridge to set up. Maybe garnish it to fit the season, and it's ready to serve. With each forkful, you'll get a mouthful of moist pumpkin cake accented with creamy vanilla pudding and whipped topping. To get the recipe for our pumpkin spice poke cake, all you need to do is visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a creamy pumpkin-y way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Creamy, pumpkin-y, delicious.
Delicious.